What's up, Survivor Squad? It's your girl Totally Ty, and I am back with another DIY video. In this video, I'm taking this dress and turning it into this crop top here. I did not sew at all, just use fabric glue. My camera was not recording when I cut the dress in half. I do apologize for that, but I mean, that's something simple. Y'all know how to just cut straight across. And then what I did was take some of the lace out the bottom of the dress and put it on the crop top. So it's gonna kind of be the size as well as the back of my crop top. I'm gonna go ahead and pin that down so I can get ready to put my fabric glue on there. Again, this is a no-sew DIY. I only use the fabric glue. The fabric glue is very affordable. So if you have any simple DIYs that you would like to do and you don't know how to sew, you can go ahead and do the fabric glue route depending on what you're making. And I'm not gonna record me doing it to the other side because of course I'm gonna do the same thing to the other side as well. I'm trying to cut as close as possible to where my seam line is. Once I had the lace on both sides, I went ahead and took a ruler to make sure I had the same amount of lace on both ends, which I didn't, so I went in and altered that as well. And then also at the bottom, I know how I have some of the lace hanging off the lace fabric. I did end up cutting it off camera because I did not like how it looked, and also I was unable to put the lace on the front part, if that makes sense. You know where that, do you see where it's all cut raggedy at? Right there in the middle of the crop top? Yeah. So I tried to put lace there, it didn't quite work out. So I did go in, this is the part I was talking about right here, but I did go in and just cut everything straight across, even that little piece of lace that's hanging on the sides as well. I'm gonna go in everywhere that I would like my lace to lay at and go ahead and apply my fabric glue. I do use a piece of fabric to push it down because it is lace, so it was getting stuck to my fingers, and also pulling the lace off of the crop top, which was a no-no. We don't want that to happen. And then also I did go in and pin it as well after. Usually it's good to set something on top of the fabric, but I just pinned it because I didn't have anything big to just sit on it. I also just didn't want to go that route either. Here is my attempt to put the lace at the bottom. Again, once I was done filming, I put on the crop top and I didn't really like the way it looked, so I did go back and alter it off of camera. And basically the last thing that I do to complete this crop top is put holes right here on it because I am gonna put strings in the back of it. It's gonna have a crisscross back. Here's my no-sew, only using fabric glue crop top. Hope you guys enjoyed that video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and join the Survivor Squad. Thank you for watching.